Greetings and salutations. Let's do this. So last time we replaced this switch, right? This whole master switch, replaced it. And I showed how I took the door panel off. And my hope was that this would fix the intermittent window issue and the door lock issue. My door locks don't work. Well, turns out this switch still sometimes does not work. And then all of a sudden it'll start working. And when this switch works, that switch works. Door locks still don't work. So I did a little bit of research, and it turns out that the way this is wired, it goes from the master switch, feeds all the power from the master switch through this switch. This switch has all the relays and everything to distribute the power to each individual door. That switch with 10 different switches on it costs $27. This switch with 2 switches on it costs $10 more. But need to take the door panel off to get to that switch, and I'll put a link in the end card to that video. You can see how I did that one, and basically it's the same process on this side. So I'm going to do a time lapse and you can see it all in super fast motion. Okay? Is it any wonder why this thing don't work? Muy bueno. My Jeep Cherokee happens to be a 1998 model. And on page 195 of the manual, it shows all the circuits and what they do, right? It shows all the circuits in the fuse panel that's in the kick panel of the passenger side of the vehicle. It shows what all those circuits do, and they're numbered. And if you look on the actual fuse panel, there'll be a number corresponding to that circuit. So in my case, there's a 25 amp circuit that powers the door locks, and that circuit's number 15, and it's one of the circuits that uses the standard size double bladed fuse. Most of the other fuses in that panel are like the micro fuses, the ones that are half that size. So let's go take a look. This, I believe, is the radio antenna. So I'll push it up all the way. You see the micro fuses here. They're the smaller version of this. And then right there's a 25 amp fuse, and right next to it, see that empty fuse spot? That's number 15. And that's the one that powers your door locks. So I'm going to go ahead and stick this 25 amp fuse back in there. And locked. Let's see if the switch works now. Okay, no bueno. Commenter said it was in the rear hatch. I'm gonna go take that panel off, and I'm gonna unplug the lock, the electric door lock solenoid, to the back and see if that does anything here. Listen to this. Open that up and see what that's all about. So I came up here and I unplugged the solenoid for the rear hatch gate, and I tried it. No work. But I want to see if the camera picks this up. Okay, so I got all 4 doors are unlocked right now. I've got the fuse pulled and listen and see if you can hear the doors locking when I plug this in. Did you hear that? Check this out. Front door, locked. Front door, locked. Side door, locked. Passenger side rear door, locked. And they all locked. And that switch is new, and that switch is new. And I'm standing here perplexed. Let's see if the switch works. That should be lock, right? Got the arrow pointed that way. Lock. Here's something, but it's not actually actuating. If you got any ideas, please hammer away in the comment section. I'm perplexed. What could it be? I'm gonna turn this into a regular video series, for crying out loud, for freaking power door locks for 97 to 2001 Cherokee XJs. Now listen for when I plug it back in. So let's make sure all the doors are unlocked again. Everything is unlocked. And I plugged the solenoid that's in the lift gate back in. Let me show you what's going on here. But door lock pointed that way. That should be lock. There it goes again. Hold on a second. Locked. Unlocked. This one didn't lock. Locked and screeching. Locked. Locked. But that one didn't lock. I went and I unplugged the solenoid for the back, unlocked all the doors. This one was disconnected, all the other doors were still connected. Plugged the fuse back in, and all 4 doors locked. Then I unlocked all the doors, plugged that solenoid back in, plugged the fuse back in, and all the doors, with the exception of this one, locked. You can see it didn't even try. Pull that fuse, I'll unlock all the doors again. Let's try again, plug this fuse in. All 5 doors are unlocked. I'm just pushing the thing in and out. So this door was locked. I'll unlock that one. This door was locked. that door is not. I must dig further. Stay tuned for updates. Till next time, you have fun, stay safe, shoot straight, keep your powder dry, and have a splendid day.